5 AI tools everyone says will make you money. I looked at all of them, and here's the honest truth. 2 are worth paying for. 2 are worth it sometimes, and 1 is a waste of money for almost everyone watching this. By the end, you'll know which is which, and the one thing that decides whether any of these make you money at all. Tool 1. Writing. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude. The free versions are genuinely strong. The paid plans run about $20 a month. Here's the honest part. These don't make money on their own. They speed up work you already know how to do. Writing descriptions, drafting emails. When is it worth it? If you write a lot, the $20 pays for itself in saved hours. When is it a waste? If you only write sometimes, the free version is all you need. That's tool 1. Useful, but not the one that surprised me.
Tool 2. Design. Canva is where most people land. Free or about $13 a month for Pro. You don't need design skills. You type what you want, it builds graphics, thumbnails, simple ads, in one evening. Worth paying for? If you post often, yes. But the free version is generous. Most beginners never need Pro. Start free. Now, tool 3. And this is the one almost everyone uses wrong. It's voice. 11 Labs turns text into natural speech. Starts free. A serious plan is $5 to $22 a month. Most people use it to pump out fake-sounding ads, and it shows. The smarter use? Turning content you already made into a new format. A written guide becomes a podcast. Same work, new audience. And here's the pattern. None of these tools make money alone. They stretch work you've already done. Hold that thought, because tool 5 is built entirely on it. Tool 4 is the boring one, and the most underrated. Data. Something like Google's Gemini takes a messy pile of numbers and finds the pattern inside. It won't hand you money. It shows you where the money already is. Worth it? The free tier handles most of this. You almost never need to pay. And then there's tool 5, the one that ties everything together. Automation. A tool like Zapier connects the other 4, so they run without you. Starts free for light use. Paid plans begin around $30 a month. You set it up once, then the work happens on its own. When is it a waste? Here's the honest warning. If you haven't built anything yet, automation has nothing to connect. This is the tool people buy first and need last. So remember the start. 2 worth paying for, 2 only sometimes. 1 a waste for most people. But here's the real lesson. The money was never in one tool. It was in connecting them. 4 tools doing small jobs, 1 tool tying them together. That's a system. And a system beats a pile of subscriptions you never connect. If this saved you from paying for tools you'll never use, that's the point. In the next file, we look at the tools people claim make passive income. Some are real, some are traps.
One quick note. These prices are what they were when I made this. They change, so always check the current rate before you pay for anything.
Follow along so you find out the easy way. This is Money OS. We test it so you don't have to.